98 Honda CRV. The high side pipe leaking. Here the liquid pipe. The customer just drive in with the vehicle, and as he fly the bonnet we hear this. What basically happened, the power steering bracket should have a 10 bolt right here. It looked like somebody removed it, whoever work on the vehicle, and it keep on rubbing over time on the high side pipe, and it just rub it until it bursts it. So we're going to remove the high side pipe and weld it and reinstall it back. So this is where it's leaking. You can see the hole. We finished welded, so right now we're going to reinstall back the pipe. So we're going to pressure the system now for check for leak, just to make sure that the welding is safe. Checking for leak now. Check the welding. Welding is good. We're going to put the 10 bolt on the bracket for the power steering to make sure that it do not rub and burst the AC pipe again. So now the bracket is firm and it's far from the AC pipe. It's no more leak on the system, so now we're going to vacuum and regas. I'm going to start the engine now. And turn on the air conditioner. Finish regas the system, just gonna check inside. Now the AC is working again. Another successful job from Kirk's Auto.